Okay, so you can see we've got the little trouble indicator on the dash, which means that we probably have some low pressure conditions on the tire. So what we got to do is we got to go into the MMI, the multimedia interface, and reset it. And when we hit the menu, we'll go into the vehicle um, designation. So I'll press enter. Now once we get into that vehicle designation, you can see the little red tab here on the side. So in order to go into that, I'll hit the left button on my scroll pad. After I hit the left button, you can see it brings me into a different menu. So now if I scroll down, I go into service and checks. And once I get to service and checks, I'll hit the mouse button again to go into service and checks. And here's the tire pressure monitoring, which comes up first. And if I hit that to go in there, now it says when you've checked the corrected pressure in all four tires, please store the pressures. So now I can go ahead and just hit my mouse button one more time down here, and it will store all of the pressures now. If I say does the current pressure match all of the four specified values, I just hit yes, and now you can see the current tire pressures have been stored, and our little indicator saying that we have a problem with the tire pressure is now gone. All right, thanks for watching.